Have you ever encountered a tricky problem while working on a video player component in React? Well, let me paint you a picture of the scenario. So, you're switching between a custom video player in Video.js using a toggle. The custom player works like a charm at first, and the switch to Video.js goes smoothly. But here's the kicker: when you try to switch back to your custom player, bam, you're hit with an error message screaming about failed to execute removeChild on node. Talk about a glitch in the matrix, right? Now, let's delve into the solution that unravels this puzzling error. Picture this: the key to resolving the issue lies in the switch from using a fragment to a div wrapper around each player. By swapping out the unassuming fragment and opting for a proper DOM element like a div, React can now seamlessly handle the switch between Video.js and the custom player. A simple tweak with a monumental impact, wouldn't you say? Voila! The solution comes in the form of tweaking your player setup with this refined structure. In a nutshell, the magic lies in the details of how you structure your video players. By embracing div wrappers around each player, React can now effortlessly manage the switching process, ensuring a harmonious coexistence between Video.js and your custom player. And just like that, you've cracked the code to a seamless video player experience on your React project. Well done, my friend. And with that, we bid adieu to our little journey of tackling video player woes. Remember, hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, happy coding, and may your errors be as fleeting as a shooting star